Fantastic.
It's been a great conference.
Genuinely, it's one of the best conferences I've been to.
It was the best experience that I had in my life so far regarding work.
I have a fantastic time here. I always have. I hope we do it again soon.
Absolutely love the World Conference. I think the way it was organized was terrific.
The culture that they have here makes everybody be so nice and gentle for you. You feel truly welcomed.
I've been a Nagios partner for 11 years. I've been dealing with all the people that I've met this week for over a decade, so it's been nice to meet them face to face.
Then I think the quality of the speaker is amazing, right?
I think the whole Nagios new product suite development, Seamus' presentation was outstanding.
Shandor's talk about the changes with the Nagios Network Analyzer.
Listening to Ethan talk and his background, I think, has been a real inspiration.
The most captivating one was Michael Belleru. I was actually very inspired by the way that he was so genuinely talking.
Managed to meet lots of partners, lots of customers, learned a lot of stuff. This is a great format for a conference. It's not too big.
My favorite part of the conference is meeting all the other people that use Nagios and see what they do with Nagios. It's the best part. And the food.
I came from Brazil, and being here as a speaker, it makes me a reference for the other people from that area and from other girls, for my family, the people around me, because it opens the door for them to try. So this is really important in opening doors to build other dreams.
You are giving quite a lot of space to non-Nagios employees, right? I would have expected, I'm going to be in the small room. And that's at all not been the case, right? Most of the people in track one are outside people. That's huge from, a company doing a conference for their product.
It's been a real joy.
Let's have another one and I'll see you next year.